Hi everybody, June 29th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. we're all going to be out here and it's going to be a great day just like today. Lots of sunshine, lots of fellowship, lots of hanging out and just celebrating God's goodness over the last 10 years at PhysioPoint. To entice you to come, we've got giveaways. We've got giveaways from some of our sponsors including Haven Realty. We've got sponsors from Tim DeLuca and Capstone Renovations. We've got all sorts of them, and those are all going to be on the hour, so stay tuned because there are big things. The iPad giveaway, we've got gift basket giveaways, we've got food, we've got games, we got all sorts of stuff. We're right off Summit. We're blocking Summit Street so that you can then park on the other side of the parking lot and join us there. And we want you to come with your family and friends, invite anybody, because we want to just really enjoy the time with our clients and meet new people to let them know about what we do at PhysioPoint. Thanks, and we'll see you there.